then do some quick checks just to see what was actually rendered on the page and if it was rendered based on the data that we served into it. In the second test, this is just an example of some interaction. So you can see that we can not only read what's on the page, but we can also navigate it. And I hope you noticed that this was, in the first example, it was closed. Now we clicked on that row, and we actually opened it using Selenium. Let's take a closer look on what was going on, and let's run the tests again, but with some breakpoints involved. Okay, so first there is some setup happening. Let me minimize this. Is it visible? Great. And we are just doing some. Yeah, we are